Heal your lungs with this tea: cough, asthma, bronchitis, infections, and more. Oregano is a popular herb, used for thousands of years for its powerful culinary and medicinal properties. With its potent antioxidant, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer properties, it is no wonder why this herb is so effective. In fact, oregano has one of the highest antioxidant activity ratings, excellent for neutralizing free radicals. It is a great source of calcium, folate, magnesium, iron, fiber, niacin, manganese, vitamins A, C, E, and K, and the carotenoids lutein, zeaxanthin, and cryptoxanthin. This Mediterranean herb is an effective remedy for treating a number of ailments due to its ability to detoxify the body. Oregano can be used fresh or dried. Also, you can take it in its oil form or as a supplement in the form of tablets. Another way to use oregano is oregano tea. You can prepare it with fresh or dried oregano. You can also use oregano oil, which can be applied topically for treatment of microbial infections including athlete's foot or other fungal infections. You should apply it 2 times a day and dilute it by 50% or more prior to application. Health benefits of oregano: acne, cough and cold, arthritis, asthma, muscle pain, digestive disorder, dandruff, acne, toothache, bronchitis, headaches, bloating, fatigue, heart conditions, allergies, cancer, heartburn, acid reflux, earache, intestinal parasites, urinary tract infection, repelling insects, menstrual cramps. How to make oregano tea. Needed ingredients: 4 to 6 tablespoons of dried oregano leaves, 2 to 3 cups of water, a slice of organic lemon to increase bioavailability, optional, organic raw honey to taste. Directions: you should pour the water into a small pot and bring it to boil. When it reaches its boiling point, turn off the heat. Add oregano leaves and let it steep for 5 minutes and cool. Make sure to strain the leaves and add honey to taste. You should consume it 3 times on a daily basis so you can get its maximum benefits.